Potato bake is one of those dishes that everyone has their own little spin on. It's the perfect side dish for any occasion, and today I'm going to show you how I make mine. I can guarantee you're going to love it. We're going to start by preparing our leeks, trim the root end and the dark green tops off while keeping the pale green and white parts only. Slice the leek in half lengthwise, then place the halves flat on your board and cut into thin half moons, around 3mm thick. Transfer them into a bowl of water and give them a good swish to remove any of that hidden dirt. The leeks will float to the top, so lift them out with a slotted spoon or sieve rather than draining the bowl to avoid any dirt mixing back into your leeks. In a pan on medium heat, add in 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of olive oil along with your leeks and 1 teaspoon of salt. Saute on medium heat for a few minutes until they become soft without over caramelizing them too much. Once done, set them aside into a bowl. For your potatoes, any white all-rounder potato works well, Desiree, Russet or Morris Piper, whatever is available for you. Peel your potatoes, then place them into a bowl of water to stop them from oxidizing. Place your mandolin over a tray and thinly slice your potatoes around 1/8 of an inch thick, like so. Make sure to use your guard as the blade is obviously quite sharp. Once your potatoes are done, move on to your cream. In a saucepan, add in 600ml of thickened cream, 1/4 cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of white pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Give it a whisk to combine. Then add in 2 sage leaves and some thyme, which I've just tied with some butcher's twine, along with 1 bay leaf and 3 garlic cloves that I've just crushed with my knife to help release the flavors. You can just leave the skin on for these. Okay, that's been simmering for about 5 minutes now. I'm just gonna turn that heat off and we're gonna let that sit for another 5 minutes, just to let that continue to infuse. And we want that to slightly cool down as well. Remove the garlic, herbs and bay leaf from the cream, then pour into a large mixing bowl. Add in your sliced potatoes and your leek. Then using your hand, mix to combine and coat all the potatoes, separating any slices that have stuck together as best as you can. Preheat your oven to 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease your baking dish with some melted butter. This dish is about 30 centimeters by 20. Then you'll lay out your potatoes followed by a drizzle of cream. Repeat this until you get halfway. Add a layer of cheddar cheese here, then repeat the process of layering the potatoes followed by a drizzle of cream until everything is used up. Top with another layer of cheddar cheese. And for a little bit of crunchy texture, mix together 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs, 1.5 tablespoons of melted butter and a pinch of salt. Sprinkle your breadcrumbs over the top, then finish with a layer of Parmesan Reggiano. Cover with foil, then place into your oven and bake for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, remove from the oven and take the foil off, then place back into bake for a further 30 minutes or until the top is slightly crispy. All right, let's give this thing a go. Oh, yum. It's creamy, cheesy, absolutely delicious. You can have it on its own or you can have some steak on the side. What more do you want? Absolute classic. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you enjoyed that video. Now, if you are a potato lover, which I'm sure you are if you've clicked this video, I'll leave a video up here for my crispy roasted potatoes. They're the crunchiest potatoes you'll ever try. I'll see you all on the next video.